everything changes.
Good morning, everyone. So we're going to discuss today about what is weighted mean. A weighted mean is a value that is often used when some data values are more important than others. So medyo nasa kalahainan sa normal na arithmetic mean katong i-add lang tanan then divided by. So it means that the weighted mean na siya consider niya anay kabugaton. So naa siya bugat sa for each of the data. For example, that is how the professors are using the weighted mean kasagaran sa grado. Like for example, in our school, 40% exam, 40% quiz, and then the rest is 20%. So meaning you have to take the quiz and the exam para mo pasar di ka kay problema. So that 40% and also the 40% exam sa quiz of sa exam mo to weights niya mo ni kabugaton. So depende na lang sa imong grado and i-add na siya and that is your weighted score, average score. Now, we have here a professor. So nausa ka professor sa usa ka eskwelahan could assign each of the test scores a weight of 1. So meaning sa ilang eskwelahan na sila upat ka examan. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5. Di ba? There are 4 exams rather. So, buta na to gani siya si prelim, mo ni si midterm, mo ni ang semifinal, and mo ni ang final. So, ngayon siya, ang professor daw, 1 ang weight niya for the rest of the exam except for final exam score. Ang final exam score, ang weight daw niya is 2. So, mo ni ang na 2 dire. This one. So, your 65, 70, 75, and 90 is the score of the student sa tong exam. So, naiupat ka exam gitaken si student. We have prelim, midterm, semifinal, and final. Pero, mas bugat ang final exam because ang weight, it has a weight of 2. So, muna ni ang weighted mean. Dari mo sulod na, na-J part na bugat dito. So, muna pumunta na bugat baka sa iyaha. Now, we have here ang formula sa weighted mean is this one. We have weighted mean is the summation of x times w divided by the summation of w. So whereas your summation of x times w is the sum of the products formed by multiplying its number by its assigned weight, and the summation of w is the sum of all weights. So kani dire i-multiply nimo si 6 score times sa weight, 65 times 1, 70 times 1, and 75 times 1. So, muna yung mga score niya kada exam. So, kabugaton niya, ang weight is just 1. But on the final exam, final score niya, ang estudyante na ningkamot, so ang score niya was 90. And then, the weight of the final examination is 2. So, yung i-compute niya siya, 65 times 1, plus 70 times 1, plus 75 times 1, plus 90 times 2. If going to compute that one, that is a total of 390. Now, kaning 5, dili ni siya kung pila ka buok ha. It's different from the katong ordinary na arithmetic mean. Ang weighted mean, this is the weight. So, kaning 5, gikuha ni siya sa total sa weight. We have 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 is equal to 5. So, dili ni mo ihap. Kaya kung kato ni ihap sa arithmetic mean, there are only 4. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So, dili ni ang ihap. So, ang 5, ikuha ni siya again sa total sa weight. Sa total sa weight. So, we have 1, 1, and 1, and then 2, and that's a total of 5. So, ang average score niya for this student is 78. Now, para dali masabtan, we're going to use there's another example there na sa libro is na si Delon. Ang grades ni Delon, mo ni ang grades ni Delon. So sa English, na siya grado na B. Then sa history, na siya grado na A. Sa chemistry, na siya grado na D. Then sa algebra, na siya grado which is C. Now, if you have noticed, like sa inyong PE, your PE has 2 units. Your NSTP has 3 units. Your accounting has 6 units. So, mo to ang units per subject. So, kaning course ha, dili ni course na nursing or BA major in SRDM, no. No, the proper way of identifying this one, of course, is subject. Subject ni sa Pilipinas. Pero sa gawas, dili tawagan na subject. It's called course. Mga course code, course description. But the correct way of saying is, unsa na imong program, the program that you enroll is BSBA, Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, or Bachelor of Science in Computer Science. Those are the program. Pero nandan magud sa tuwa na ang kanang BSBA is mo na ang course. But that is just the program. Ang katong course ang gipasabot diri sa libro is ang subject. So mo ni ang grado for the loan for these four subjects. BADC. Pero kaning BADC na ni siya equal na grado. We have here kung ang A daw is 4, ang B is 3, ang C is 2, and D is 1, and F is 0. Then mo ni ang weights. Now, you have this formula. Mo ni ang formula na gamit sa ato ang weighted mean. So, atong weighted mean, we have the summation of x times w divided by the summation of weight. So, katong i-mention ganina, your x is this one. Mo ni ato ang x. Mo ni si x. And this is our weight. So, imura na isang i-times to compute the kuan. So, we have here your weighted mean. Your weighted mean is you have your B times 4. And then we have plus A times 3. Plus we have D times 3. And then we have plus C times 4 divided by the summation of weights man. If you're going to add all of this, we have 4 plus 3, 7 plus 3, 10 plus 4, that's 14. So, ang total, summation of W man, ang total sa tanang weights. So, this is 14. Ano siya? Now, ang problema karon sa ng B. You cannot multiply B. But B, here, ang B diri kay we have ilang B is 3. So kani siya maywan ni siya og wait, change color. Maywan siya og 3. 3 na siya. And your A is 4. And then your D is 1. And your C is 2. So, pila man ni sa taas? 3 times 4, that is 12. Plus 4 times 3, that is 12. Plus 1 times 3 is 3. Plus, we have 2 times 4 is 8. Divided by 14. So, divide by 14, pila man na siya? Pila i-total na niya? We're going to solve this one. So, we have 12 plus 12 plus 3 plus 8. Pila man na siya? That is 35. So, this is 35. Divided by 14. So, 35 by 14 is equal to 2.5. So, ang weighted mean ni Dillon sa iyang grado is 2.5 ang grado niya. So, that is the final answer. So, if you're going to look at the book, you will see that one there. Na dito katong resolve na ko, that is on page 6. So na dito si Dillon. So ang grado ni Dillon na dire English, History, Chemistry, and then algebra, and then we have your course grade, yung grado niya. And then we have the units. So, nasa libro dito ang iyang pag-compute. So, i-solve lang na ako para makita ninyo kung saan di pa maagi. The next one, ang akong i-solve ani karon kay kaning assignment. So, para di mo hago, I will answer the number 17 assignment. So, this is the number 17 assignment. The number 17 assignment is, we have the grading point average ang gigamit. So, in some point 4.0 grading average, the student grade GPA is calculated by assigning letter grades on the following numerical values. So, ang A daw is 4.0, ang A minus is 3.67, ang B plus is equals to 3.33, ang B equals to 3.0, B minus is equals to 2.67, C plus is equals to 2.33, C is equals to 2.0, C minus is equal to 1.67, D plus is equals to 1.33, D is equals 1.0, and D minus equals to 0.67, and F is equals to 0.0. Kung yung F, yung gagawin mong F ay sure ko daan, you have to re-enroll the subject. So this is the GPA that we're going to use, grading system, para sa answer sa 17 to 20. Your assignment is 17 to 20. So I'm going to answer now ang number 17 problem para na mo guide on how to answer 18 to 20. So na si Jerry. Si Jerry is a student of this school, and then mo ni ang grado na niya. We have pila ka subject, we have English, anthropology, chemistry, French, and then theater. So ang grado ni sa English ni Jerry is A. Ang grado ni Jerry sa anthropology is A. Ang grado niya sa chemistry is B. Ang grado ni Jerry sa French subject is C+. And then ang grado ni Jerry sa theater is B-. So, using this letter code, find the grade niya na diri sa imuhang grading system na gi-follow, na gigamit. So, these are the weights. Muna kabugaton sa subject, sa kada subject. So, 3 units lang English, anthropology is 3 units, ang chemistry is 4 units, and then the French is 3 units, and then the theater is 2 units. Now, mo ni ang ganina, ang kay Jerry. So, unsa kay formula? The formula for, what do you call this? The summation of x times w divided by summation of w. Your x, kaning x mo ni siya. Mo ni ito ang x. X na to sa subject, dili x sa atong uyab. Ay forever. Now, we have your w, your weights here. This is your weights. Kani siya mo ni ang atong weights. So, dali na kay compute si summation w. You just add them. I-add na ni mo ni. 3 plus 3 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2, and that's the summation of your weights. Now, how do we solve this? Same atong ganina. So, summation of x times w divided by the summation of w. So, sugod ta, we have English A times, play with sa English, 3. Dayon, plus A na pod, times flyweight sa anthropology is also 3. Plus chemistry is B times ang weight niya is 4. Plus 5 man sa subject, we have French C+. C+ is wala ikapat na subject, C+ times pilay credit sa C+, that is 3. And then the last one, last subject, we have B-. B- times 2. The letter pa na ko na, later, unya na ako na i-total value. We have the summation of W. Or, ang saan yung summation W? Ang saan yung summation of W? We have 3 plus 3 plus 4 plus 3 and plus 2, that is 15. So 15 is siya dire. 15. Now, kung nana kay 15 dan ha, di ba nga pwede you cannot directly solve this one using the lay. We're going to substitute the value of A, which is, ato lang isa-isa na siya, 4.0. 4.0 times 3 plus 4.0 plus, so 4.0 na chord times 3 and then plus sa may B na to, B is 3.0 times 4 plus kaupat na subject, we have C plus ang ato ang French subject, we have 2.33 times pilay weight sa 2.33, that is 3 kabugaton niya plus we have scatter B minus is 2.67, so 2.67 times the weight, which is 2. So, mo na ang bungkag sa tanang value divided by 15. So, pilay answer na niya. We'll solve it again. Hinahinay. 4.00 times 12, that is, times 3 is 12, plus 4.0 times 3 is 12, plus 3.0 times 4 is also 12, plus 2.33 times 3, 2.33 times 3, that is 6.99, plus 2.67 times 2, that is 5.34. 5.34 divided by 15. Dayon, ang next na niya, we're going to add them. So 5.30, we have 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 6.99 plus 5.34 is equals to 48.33. 48.33 divided by 15. So, pila man yung 48.33 divided by 15? That is 3.22. 3.222. Or, roughly, pila yung grado niya is, pila man ang 3.32. So, nasa magdula yung grado from B plus to B. So, the grade of, what do you call this? Jerry is 3.33. Yan siya. O na yung grado niya. So, or, we can say that this grade is B plus. Or B, rather. Is between B plus and B minus. So, B ang yung grado.